Happen to want to poo-poo on the go? Get some Daily Buckle Pants. Extra absorbency.
I wear an apron. Be professional. I am professional. Oh my god, I look like a housewife. How do I tie this? Oh, just tie it? Never tied an apron before. Yeah. Wear the long. Okay. I'm gonna win. Okay.
Not that obnoxious. They can't really see the long down there.
Yeah, they can.
No,
Can you guys see the long?
just half.
Can you like not be in my space? Look at the tail, it's so cute.
Well,
Look, it's a hot tub stream. Look at the tree. Okay.
try not to be inappropriate. We
Sorry.
don't want to be banned.
No, it's a chicken in a hot tub. I'm exfoliating it.
Make sure you flap the chicken wings too, Del.
Del, don't get distracted.
Del, don't get distracted. Del, can you just cook
Hello.
behind? Distracted again.
Look at the chicken shaking its booty. I stuffed my chicken, Bill.
You took all of the...
No, I didn't. It's inside the chicken, you can't take it out. So unfair.
We just bought a knife.
No, I only bought the knife because it matches the emoji.
You bought the knife just to win this.
This chicken is gonna be like more tender and more smooth than Del's skin.
Yeah. What?
I did not say that.
Okay, well.
Sorry, I just wanted to add this, add this because commentator has touched Del in real life. So I know that she is soft and smooth. sabotaging the chicken feet. What are you gonna do with the chicken?
We're gonna put it inside the stock so it's more.
Gao.
Adding more flavor to the chicken, to the soup that is created from lunch.
Can I just say this was my idea?
You
Really? Are you just taking
Is this
it
another form of
already?
sabotage?
Wow.
I'll give you like,
Is this another form of sabotage?
I'll give you 3.
He's simmering his chicken. Ooh.
Wow.
And then my brother said, okay, fine, you want to appeal to young people? Then I'm not coming. And
Guys, BBR didn't know I had a live screen. He's been doing it by hand.
Is that called sabotaging?
No.
I'm doing like a 2-person's job.
This is not a sport. Is this a sport now?
But this is a sport. Everyone's tuning in. Everyone wants to see like you guys fight. That's why it's called chicken rice war.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
I'm going to see. Basically, India's chicken looks like L, and then like L's chicken looks Alpha.
Those chicken looks like BBR.
I did not get it.
I know, but like, how do I need to Google how to chop a chicken. One chicken looks like it's healthy, and the other one looks like it's recovering from COVID.
But guys, this is not a time test. Yeah, I repeat, this is not a time test. This is a taste test.
I did it! Yes! Okay.
First time.
Yeah, I've never held it a cleaver before.
There we go.
Now,
Nice.
wait, if you put sesame oil, doesn't that make the surface even more slippery? Doesn't that mean that it's harder for her to handle and she might like thumb her fingers off? Oh my gosh, Divya. Is that one of your sabotaging games? Oops. Cannot effectively debug.
The presentation is so terrible.
And all the chicken is like
Looks like a nice piece of
as well.
Hainanese chicken rice. You guys want to see it first?
I never sabo, oh my god! Yes, the Queen Mother. 皇后娘娘. Wait, what did you get?
So the deciding factor for me
Initially,
is
she said
the
6
rice.
and 7,
As in, for me, it's the rice.
but then she was like
the part that
7
is
and
like,
8.
Oh,
that is
okay.
like the cliffhanger.
Because
The rest are all like a kind of the rice is the cliffhanger.
We got a pity mark.
Yes.
Wait, so who's 7 and who's 8?
I'm
Yeah,
sorry, you're
it's
8.
What?
I didn't-
Panic!
I
Have you
didn't do
had
that.
chicken rice
I didn't do
before?
that. I didn't do that.
Yeah, I ate chicken rice like every day for like 3 weeks since when I'm.
Okay, that's intense, okay. Oh, Del, do not intimidate the chicken.
Dale, do not intimidate the judge.
Okay, wait. Out of 10 for each side. Panic.
Okay, so it's probably 8.5 in favor of Dell.
8.5 is for me.
8.5, I got it.
Oh, and he got 8. Okay, he got 8.
Yeah.
What? That's so nice. That's so unfair. I was cleaning too. And you never say a single thing. Well, I'm cleaning. I was holding shit up the entire time. Then you never say anything. Then you're like, you never say like, oh, I love how Dell learns how to clean up. But no. When BBR cleans, you're just like, oh, I love how like BBR like cleans. That's overall everything. So Dell out of 10, BBR out of 10. Overall, actually, Dell 8, BBR. I am just waiting for Ray to tell me that I have. What?
I think I can feel more flavor. I can taste more flavor on number 2, as well as the rice.
What?
The rice has more flavor too on number 2. So yeah, for me, I like number 2 more.
The rice is more flavorful? Did she get the rice wrong?
Wait, Del, are you okay?
She is sucking a little bit.
Del is on the floor, Del! Upon further investigation, I dig a bit deeper.
So it's not even.
I dig a bit deeper into the dish. Statement is true. I can def sense more flavor in this. So I can okay, number 1, I would give it. I'll give it an 8 because I feel like the chicken could be better. It's a little stiff, but it does taste good still. Yeah, it does go very well with the sauce. And the sauce is like one of the highlights for number 1. And for number 2, I'm gonna give it a 9.
I am the underdog. I am the true victor. Please, wait, I have a spotlight here.
It's too bright. It's overexposed.
Bow down before the glory of my win, chat. A true victor, overexposed victory. But this is for Rongsss. Rongsss technically inspired the stream.
Yeah.
The chicken rice stream.
I can imagine the chicken rice stream.
Belly Poco Pants.